Classes are blueprints for creating objects. Just like the architectural blueprints define how you build houses, classes define the structure and behavior that the objects will have. They specify what data an object can hold and what actions it can perform. The basic syntax is straightforward. You use the class keyword and then you define the class name. Then inside curly braces, you define properties like name, age, etc. This is going to create the blueprint for the person objects that will have name and age properties. The class itself doesn't hold any actual data yet. It just defines the template. To create objects from your class, you use the new keyword. Then set the property values by using the object name dot the property name. You can create as many objects as you need from the same class, each with different values, so basically one blueprint, unlimited instances.